I chose AI because I hate slavery. Most people look at AI and see a shiny little toy. They can write emails with it, create funny videos with it. These are cute tricks. I look at AI and I see something else. I see bolt cutters. I know what slavery feels like. I didn't learn hard work in an Ivy League university or even a classroom or a Silicon Valley startup incubator. I learned it on a factory floor in India, which is where I am right now. I know the smell of diesel fumes mixed with sweat. I know the noise of heavy machinery that does not care if you're tired. I know what it feels like to be a small cog in a giant, indifferent system. And some trading the best hours and years of your life for a handful of rupees or pennies. At 15 years old, standing in that noise, I made a vow. I will find a way to break these chains. I will find a way to make machines work for us instead of us working for the machines. In 1996, while the whole world was asleep, I found my escape hatch. It wasn't a hammer, it was a floppy disk. I discovered code. I discovered logic. I realized that one correct line of code can do the work of 100 people. I became obsessed, not because I loved computers, but because I hate slavery. I hate drudgery. I didn't just study, I fought for my life. I ranked 7th in all of India. In my final computer examination, I mastered the machine's logic before the internet even existed for me. Fast forward to today. We think we are free because we sit in our comfy air-conditioned offices. We stare at our laptops, at our smartphones. But look closer. We are still in that factory. The assembly line is now your inbox. The heavy lifting is now data entry. The foreman screaming at you is now the notification bell on your phone. We traded physical exhaustion for mental burnout. We still trade time for money. We still miss our kids' recitals. We are still slave to the grind. I didn't build my company to sell you software. I built it to finish what I started in 1996. I'm not here to teach you prompt engineering. I'm here to teach you freedom. Human beings were not born to act like robots. We were born to create, to lead, to love, to rest. Every minute you spend doing repetitive work is an insult to your humanity. AI is the tool we have been waiting for. The very first technology in the history of mankind, powerful enough to replace human brain in the drudgery department. It is the clone that answers your email while you sleep. It is the architect that builds your strategy while you play with your children. It is the Iron Man suit that turns one human into a superpower. I'm not a scientist. I'm not a Silicon Valley billionaire. I'm the guy from the factory who found the key to the exit door. And now I'm coming back to unlock it for you. If you are tired of the trickle of success, if you're ready to stop working in the machine and start owning it, welcome to the resistance. Welcome to AI Merge.